Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create forms with Google Forms. In order to do that, click on this blank form right here in order to successfully do this. Now just name your form right here. So for example, let's name this survey. And then you can put in here email description as well as the email that you will be conducting. Now you can see in here this question that they already have available. So you can put in here a question like for example, gender. And then you can put in here a gender option, like for example, female, male, and you can also add some more things as well if you want to. You can add in here other option. Now you can also make this a required question. Now we can add another question and you can see that they have in here a drop down. So you can choose in here, it can be a short answer, a paragraph, it can also be a checkbox, as well as drop-down options, file uploads, also some other things like linear scale, multiple choice grid, text box grid, date and time, and you can also just choose in here which one. So you can head over and then create in here a form or a survey that you want to use. Then you can also see in here the responses that they will be have, and then also the settings that you want. You can make this quiz and you can also manage your responses, your presentation, form defaults, and the likes. Once you're done with that, just click on the send right here and you can now see in here the link that will actually allow you to send this to people. You can copy it and send this to them. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.